How you doing today? My name is RJ Rickert with ISW, and today I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the OKI Pro8432WT printer. So, when you receive the printer, it's going to come in a box like this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the straps. And then if you see here, instead of actually opening the box from the top, there is these little tabs. So we're going to go ahead and remove all these. And we are going to lift the box up. Lift it up gently because the toners, as you can see, come on top of the printer. So we'll go ahead and put these aside for now. It's going to come with your installation disc where you can download your drivers. It's going to come with your power cord. So go ahead and just remove the styrofoam. So the printer is about 80 pounds, so it's not too heavy. Just lift it up here. Okay, so now that we have our box on the table, we'll go ahead and take off this plastic. It is a good idea to always keep your box. The nice thing is that the touch rate on these printers is less than 1%, but if anything does happen and you're under the warranty and OKI needs to actually take the printer back, to keep the original boxing is key. Alright, so here's your printer. So when you open it up, you'll click the side right here, and then there's a little gray button right here that will unlatch it. And once it opens, you do see these orange, I would say plastic wrapping. So for each drum, there's a little orange plastic wrapping around it. To start, you're going to go ahead and want to remove anything that is orange. So we'll start with the plastic. And then lastly, pop open that fuser just to make sure there's no wrapping around this or anything. Okay, so now at the beginning we saw those toners. We'll go ahead and bring these over. So each toner will be designated an image drum. And then at this point it's going to be smart to have a trash can nearby when you open the toners. Alright, so take your first toner. You look at it right here, it tells you which one it is. So this one is white. So we will take it out of the wrapping. And as you see, the toner is protected right here with a seal. So before we put it on, we will go to our white image drum and go ahead and lift. In the back here, I'll show you, there is a little lever right here. So you're going to want to keep it in the printer itself and just lift that tab. And then sometimes you'll get a little bit of excess right here, so that's why a trash can nearby is good. We will take that toner, go ahead and remove the white wrapping. And you will take the side without the knob, put it in at a diagonal angle until it clicks. And then once it's in, this blue knob, to seal it forward, there is a lock button on here. So that locks it in. So now you successfully put your toner into your image drum, and then you will repeat this process for each and every color. So now that you got all your toners and your drums in, you're really good to go. You can always reset them. And then all you gotta do is close the printer and seal it in like that. So real quickly, just a couple of key features of the printer. When you do all your printing, you're going to do it in the multi-purpose tray. So there is a tray 1 down here that pulls out for normal paper. We will not be using this when we're using the transfer paper. Right here in the front, there's 2 little knobs. You're going to actually just pop this out, and what this is your multi-purpose tray. And this is where you will be feeding all your paper. There is a gray tab right here, so when you are putting paper into the tray, you will lift up the gray tab, load the paper in, and then close the gray tab. Lastly, since this is a nice thing with the OKI data, it's a straight paper path, there is a rear output tray. It's right here in the back on the top. We will pop open that rear output tray. So now when we're doing all of our printing with our transfer paper, we'll be loading it in and it'll be coming out the back. So now there's no folding over or anything like that. Other than that, you're all set to go. So you'll just have to plug in your OKI and then you're good to go. Once again, my name is RJ Rickert with ISW, and thanks for watching the video.